Alright y'all, welcome back. Boy Guy with a Camera here. Today we're going to go over these multi-function solar post lights. Our good friends at T-Sun Lighting reached out to us, said, hey, check out these post lights. I'm like, RGB fence post lights? Absolutely, let's check them out, right? So we got these last night. I'm super excited to see how they work. So we'll do a little bit of an unboxing and then we'll go through it. So they sent me 2 boxes, so there's 8 post lights all together. So there's 4 in each pack. I think they have 4, 6, and 8, right? So you buy them like that. So it's a pretty heavy duty plastic. You got your solar panel on the top, and then you take this off, right? And this would post on your, you screw this to your post, or they have, I seen they have double-sided tape in there too, so I guess you could do it that way. I'm going to screw these right to my post tops, and then I'm going to put the light on top of it, right? So let's go ahead and turn it on and see. So I did not charge these, so they're not going to be super bright. So there's 7 color RGB, and then it should, let's see what happens. It should change colors. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Maybe. Okay, here we go. All right, so now it's going to go through the 7 different colors. So like I said, there's 4 in each box. I'm going to go ahead and set these on the post lights, and I'm going to leave them, you know, where they're just flashing, and we'll see how good it lights up in the backyard. I'll show you right now real quick actually how dark the backyard is. You guys can see it's pretty dark back there. So I'm going to set these up real quick. I'm going to put them on the fence line, and we'll come back and I'll show you guys, you know, from across the yard, and we'll see how good they are, see how bright they are. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, so real quick, as I was bringing them out to the backyard to mount them on the fence posts, I was like, oh, you know what would be kind of cool? I put them all in one spot. If you have like a flat area, you know, like a wall or fence in your backyard, and you wanted to put like a design with these things on a flat wall, it actually looks kind of cool. So that's something to keep in mind also on these. Let me go ahead and put these on the fence posts, and we'll see what they look like. All right, y'all, so 7 out of the 8 are on right now. I turned on one last night, and I guess I didn't turn it off, so there was no charge whatsoever in it. So this is 7 of them lit up on the fence post back there. You see the green, red, now it's purple, and then blue on the end. They're pretty good. They give you like a little bit of a illumination. Like I said, I did not charge these in the sun, so I would imagine that they're a little more brighter than what they are right now. But it definitely gives like a little glow. I like it because it's got all the different, you know, 7 colors going on at once. And like I said, they're heavy duty plastic. They seem pretty good. I just put 2 screws in them. I'm not really worried about them blowing off the top of my fence, to be totally honest with you. So that's how they're gonna sit for now. And then obviously, you know, just like everything else, I'll give you guys an update in the future, if it's still working, how well it's working, and all that stuff. So while we're out here, you guys check out that solar light I put on the shed. That thing's still working perfectly fine. No issues with that either. And that was from the Jets LED. So, you know, just so you guys get an idea, I keep coming back and let you guys know that things still work, and, you know, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Let me know. I'll leave the link in the description, and also on the T-Sun Lighting website, put in Boy Guy with a Camera, you get 20% off. So definitely look for that, put that code in, and that's about it, guys. You know, I'm gonna wrap up the video. Appreciate you all keep coming back and watching the videos. You know, as always, I hope everybody's staying safe, and hope to see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.